All right, let's talk about actually just creating content in general, actually working with pages. This site, as you can tell, has got a lot of different stuff going on, from the banner, the rotating banner, and these boxes that pop up and down, and footer links, and projects, and products, and services, and all that kind of stuff. Let's start from the beginning. Let's just make a general page. So let's go to the back end. I'm going to go to the pages. I'm going to do add new, and we'll just do. Let's make up a title, MIT rocks. All right, and then let's just paste in. I'm just going to do some dummy text in here. Let's do another one. All right, so there's my page content. I'm going to go ahead and publish this. Basically, that's saving it. So we've published it. It's not going to be live. The only way to get it live is to actually put it in this menu, and I'll go over that in a separate tutorial. But what we can do is view it from this section by either clicking View Page or Preview Changes. So let's click View Page. There we are. We have a full width page with that dummy content that I popped in there. Alright, so let's go ahead and let me see something. Hold on one second. Okay, just making sure that works. Sorry about that. Get straight up. Okay, so next thing we'll see over here on the page attributes is template, and we'll see default template. This is basically the layout we're telling it to follow. So if we look at it, it's a full width, it's a full layout. But if we click this drop down, we're going to see page with sidebar. So if I click this, update, refresh this, what's going to happen? It's going to create that space for that sidebar, right? The next thing we can do is actually go to the Use Custom Sidebar box, click the drop down, and these are all the sidebars that have been created, at least up to this point for this site, that we can choose from. And I'll cover that in a separate video as well. So this, don't worry about that right now. It's just kind of follow along with what's going on. So if I choose, let's see, the About Us sidebar, update, refresh this. Now we have the About Us sidebar, which basically is the pages, the menu pages for the About Us section. All right. Let's go back. Let's go ahead and actually do no sidebar. So I'm going to change this back to full width. All right. So we got our stuff in there. We can insert pictures, like for instance if I click this icon, I might do that a little too fast, sorry about that, let me bounce back. Maybe you want to picture the very top. I can click my mouse right here, I'll click this. I can either choose an image from my computer or something that's already been uploaded. I'm going to go ahead and grab one that's been uploaded. And let's see, what do we have here? Not a whole lot. Maybe I should grab one for the computer just for purposes. Let's see. This one will work. So we have this image, and what we can do is wrap text around it. So if we scroll down, we can actually see where we can float left and float right, and then also choose the size of the image. So I'm going to go ahead and use full size. I'm going to float it left. What I want to click is use this image. Here it is inserted. I'll update. Refresh. There's an image with some text. Maybe I want to do, let's see, a title. I can do that right here. Title can go here. Highlight it, and then what we covered earlier in another video, was the header tags. So I can choose one, heading 1, and give this a styling that matches the actual site. So, all right. Okay, so that's all I want to really touch base this time, and just generally, creating a page. There obviously are much more detailed sections, for the products, for the projects, for the news section, but I don't want to do everything all in one shot. To kind of overload you, but that just kind of general touch how the site works as far as adding a sidebar, using full width or making a title, inserting a picture, that kind of a thing. So I hope that makes sense.